Do you like this look? Do I feel fabulous? Yes, I do. Hey tribe, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a full face tutorial using black owned product. This is the Black History Month, and to support black owned brands, I'm going to be giving a lot of shout outs to black owned businesses and using black owned brands in this video. If you think this is the kind of thing you want to know much about, or you want to support black businesses out there, kindly keep on watching. Let me just tell you, if you don't have any of these beauty brands, I don't know what you're looking for. I don't know what you're waiting. As you all know, I have a video showing you my eyeshadow base and my primer and how I came about this look right here. The next stage that I'm going to be going to is the eyeshadow. So for my eyeshadow today, I'm going to be using the Hush Beauty palette, and this is in the shade 350. This is a Nigerian owned brand, and she has like amazing eyeshadow pigments. Look at what it looks like. This is absolutely amazing. I'm going to be using some of the dark colors. I really don't even know the look I'm going to create, but this is so inspiring. Let's just get into it. Down a lot because my base is primed and I don't want it to crease, so I'm going to be looking down a lot of the time in trying to get this look, you know, looking fabulous. With this blending brush by Hush Beauty, I'm just going to use this to get in the major color on my eyeshadow crease. Right now, as you can see, I've done the transition color and the base color. I just want to use the color to brighten up the beginning of the eyeshadow. This shade as the first shade, I used this to transition it a little bit, and I went in with this. Now to get to my major base, I'm going to be going in with this shade and this shade. If you're still watching till here and you aren't subscribed, kindly click the subscribe button right now. Just to be sure that I have my crease properly blended, I'm going back in again with the blending brush just to smoothen out any creases over here. Now I'm just patting it on in a dab motion like I always do. To say that I've had this palette for almost 4 years. This is the Hush Beauty palette in the shade 350, I believe, and I feel like I've been sleeping on my palette for so long. So in my next couple of videos, I feel like you're going to be seeing a lot of this. This is so amazing. Like, look at the pigments. Look at the color payoff. It's like just booming in there. You know, just shading this so that it has a transition effect. To brighten up my inner corner, I'm going in with the last shade, and I'm just going to place it over here like so. Another brand I'm going to be shouting out today is Asake Alashoke. She makes gorgeous African prints from scratch, like literally from the fibers that constitute the outfit. So kindly go follow her right now on Instagram. She does amazing jobs. She's my plug. To blend out this area of my eyeshadow, it's just very close to my eyebrow. I just want it to look clean and smooth. I'm going to be going in with another black owned, Nigerian owned business, and this is the V Beauty Pro Face Collection mini palette. I'm going to be using this shade over here. This second shade is what I'm going to be using, and I'm just going to blend out my crease. I'm just going to tap it in. Just so it all appears smooth. Using the White Diamond by J. La Rue Cosmetic, I'm just going to go in with a small, tiny, fluffy brush, and I'm just going to tap on the products and get into this. As you can see, it's beginning to pop. My eyes is looking totally different. Like, I hope you guys can see what I'm seeing right. There's an absolute change. I'm doing the same thing over here. I'm just dabbing it in the same area that I applied the white eyeshadow, and I'm taking it a little bit into the other color. Now that I did my foundation off camera, and I'm just going to go in with my concealer, and to conceal my face I'll be using the Juvia's Place concealer in the shade J13. This is also a black owned business. Our eyeshadows are like literally the best eyeshadow. They have like the best pigmentation ever. And using this fluffy blending brush, I'm just going to blend the concealer. And while blending, because this is the winter time and I'm trying to, you know, have enough hydration, I'm just going to go in with my rose water facial mist, like so, just to give more moisture to my face. And I'm going in like so. I'll just keep blending till I get the intensity that I want. So now I know I look all over the place, I look scary, but don't be scared. Everything is going to come back together. To contour my nose softly and to contour my cheeks, I'm going to be using the V Beauty palette, and I'm just going to be going in with this shade for my nose, but this for my cheek. So let's get into this. My makeup is like literally coming together. I'm just chiseling my cheekbones and my jaw just so that it looks more slim. Now I'm done chiseling my face. As you can see, my contour is like sharp. So I'm just going to go in with the V Beauty palette and use the Sweet Honey to set all over my face. And I'm going in like so, just dipping my powder and just literally the areas that I highlighted. And for my chisel cheek, I'm just going to dab the powder all over it like so. It's literally just setting it. As you can see, I'm not wiping, I'm just dabbing it inward. For my under eye, I'm just going to cinch this, and there you go. Cinch it and dab. So I did my eyelash off camera. I lined my waterline, put on some eyelash, and this eyelash is the Lash by Garbie. That's my own black owned brand. Kindly go to Garbie'Signature to get some if you want. We come to the end of this tutorial. As you can see in my video, I made reference to a couple of black owned products that I use. I used the V Beauty Pro Face Collection mini palette. I used the Ush Beauty eyeshadow palette in the shade 350, and I also used the J. Laro Cosmetic pigment on my eyes. The Juvia's Place concealer in the shade J13. And for my hair, I used, I'm actually wearing a braid wig by Glamazon Beauty. I'm going to link up our Instagram right now. While I was filming this tutorial, I made up a poll on my Instagram. If you're not following me on my Instagram, I think you need to do that right now. I put up a poll on my Instagram saying if you wanted a shout out on my YouTube video. A couple of people just dropped up their Instagram link, so kindly go follow this amazing lady. She's a mom of 6 beautiful kids, and she's doing this business to support her and her kids. Kindly go follow her on her Instagram. And the next person is Charms by Jazzy. I'm going to put up a link showing their Instagram posts, so kindly go follow them on Instagram and show them some love from Garbie'Signature's YouTube channel. If you watched till here and you aren't subscribed, what are we doing? Seriously, what are we doing? I feel amazing. I feel gorgeous. Can you keep the glow? Like my skin, guys, try. I'm sure you, if you haven't seen my updated skincare routine, it's dropping pretty soon. Watch out for it, okay? Thank you for staying in touch. Thank you for loving on my channel, coming back to watch my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, I love and appreciate you. Keep watching, keep winning, stay fabulous, and stay healthy. Till next time, bye.